WP Bakery just got a whole new look. New settings area, cleaner, easier to scan. A redesigned navigation bar, every icon refreshed. The template library, now one unified search bar, tab-based browsing, and a dedicated space for your downloaded templates. Five responsive modes now, including brand new smartphone landscape view. Smarter save and publish. Smaller, smoother toast notifications. Row and column controls. Unified, simplified, more power and fewer clicks. New sizing units across the Design System tab. Percentage, EM, REM. Viewport width and height. Smarter design panels. Options appear only when you need them. Refreshed new attributes for all content elements. This is WP Bakery 9.0. Same power, new experience. Full walkthrough coming next. Update now and see it for yourself.